Hello everybody, this is Joe from Atomic Iron Incorporated. I am custom building an air lift welding table that is going to have approximately 6.5 inches of adjustable height up and down. It's going to have a 5-foot by 10-foot, 1-inch thick slate on the top. And those are the wheels I chose to use for the table. It's going to have 4 of those dualies. I think every welding table should have a set of dualies on it. This is 3x3 by 3/16 tube. And you see I drilled the holes there through the middle. There's going to be air lines running through there to help for the airline system. And down underneath we have capped with the 1-inch bolts there to adjust for different places in the concrete. And basically you're going to be able to push a button and this table is going to lift up, and you can roll it to where you want it. You can let the air back out and set it back down on the bolts for so it don't roll away from you. So we'll add more video as the build goes on.